This is Rapper Future's mansion in Miami, worth $17 million. At 8,897 square feet, the contemporary-style 7-bedroom, 8.5-bathroom mansion has tons of space for entertaining in style. The property is divided by a courtyard into a street-facing structure for guests and a main house that faces the water. The large-scale home has a private entrance bordered by green grass, numerous trees and plants. The house offers Future an expansive living room space for family and for holding parties. The kitchen and bathrooms are stocked with the latest appliances. Once stepping out into the backyard, it seems as if the inhabitants of the mansion will be whisked into their own local tropical paradise. The area contains not only an inviting rectangular swimming pool, but also a spacious spa, a fully equipped kitchen, and a dining area. A strip of lush, green grass and swaying palm trees border the length of the large backyard and lead to a wooden dock. Do you like this kind of house?